How's it going, everyone? So we got a package in the mail. It's a 10-frame Beehive. So get it opened up. Let's see what it is, and see if we got to put it together, and then we'll do a review on it. I enjoy doing reviews. We've done several. There's some nice equipment out there, depending on where it comes from and things of that nature. So let's see what's all in this box. So comes with the, well, I think it's a complete Beehive. So I thought it was just box, but here is frames. We'll have to put them together. That's nice. Those are components of frames, deep, and mediums. So they have deep and mediums. Includes foundation. That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 medium foundations, and they sent us, I'm guessing 20. Yeah, 20 black foundation for deeps. That's good. So these are, for people that don't know, these are a medium and these are a deep. So that's the size difference between the two. Deep is what we run. We don't run a lot of mediums, but we do have them around. These are just the for the frames. This is the, get one of these out. So that's the bottom bar. Frame construction seems very nice, and this is the top bars. So everything looks good on the frame part. They included some instructions to put it together. Screws, that's nice. I'll get a price on these. I'll have to go to the website and get a price. I got nails for the frames. That's good. And a solid bottom board. We run all solids, so that's great. This has been wax dipped, so there's no painting on it. Again, the construction seems very nice. I like that it's been dipped. I don't have to paint it. That's great. So it's been dipped. Here is a side of a deep frame. So there is the company that sent it to us. They are called Maybe. So again, all this is pre-dipped. This is for a deep. They got it nice, and their little logo on here stamped out pretty nice. Looks to be a good solid hive. They got pre-drilled right here holes. These are that's the piece that always breaks off in a beehive. So they pre-drilled these, but nothing else is pre-drilled. That's alright. One thing about them, if you guys can see that, they're dovetailed. Those are deeps. So we got two deeps, and it looks like a medium. So a deep and a medium for people to see. These are around 9, like 5/8 inch or something of that nature. These are a little over 6 inch. Mediums are a lot easier to run. A lot of people use them. a entrance closer reducer. So this is the small side, just your typical entrance. So this is like a 1 to 2 bee space, and then this one's a little bit more, you know, a couple inches and stuff. So wax dipped as well. So everything is wax dipped in here except for the frames. So it's a complete hive. Very nice. And again, everything seems quality. The wax is thick on it. Very well. Build the boxes up too. We'll fast forward through that part. Inner cover. I don't really use an inner cover because I do not use telescoping lids. So this is like the only one I got in my whole operation, but it's still nice. The metal top on it, and like I said, it's good construction, nice and heavy. It's dipped too. Very nice. Impressed with the quality, and it's in a queen excluder. We do run these. It's a plastic queen excluder, just typical queen excluder. So let me I'll build the boxes right quick, and I'll fast forward through that, and then we'll set it up and show you guys what it looks like. They do have everything pre-drilled. They're pre-drilled and they're sunk. So this is on the long end, and that's where they have them pre-drilled out. So they are all pre-drilled, and again they're kind of sunk in there. So we got the bottom. Deep box. Frame fits great in here. Not gonna fall out, that's good. Queen excluder, like I said, we use queen excluders, or you don't need one, but like that it came with it. Another box on here. Super. Inner cover. And the telescoping lid. Alright, there you have it. Very nice. Great joints. Dovetails are pretty cool. One thing about those is you don't have to worry about, you know, like lining them up. Once we get them put in there, they're square. Here is the entrance reducer in here, just like that. Right here, again, maybe is who sent it to us. It's solid construction. It is waxed. We will put some bees in here, and we'll show you how it holds up and everything over the season. So we appreciate Bee for sending us this entire hive. It's really cool. I will leave the price down in the description. You guys can go check them out though. It is a solid beehive. Very nice. So all right, very cool. We'll add it to it. Our bee yards, and we'll get bees growing in it. Y'all have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.